All right, we got another Four Winds Natural Healing product review. One of my favorite things that I've used for many years is if you have the cough and sore throat during the cold and flu season, we have these wonderful brand of cough drops that are natural called Ricola is the brand. They're from Europe. They've been around for a really, really long time. The only problem is you've got to get the original herb cough drop because they make about 6 different ones now. And this is the original, actually herbal based one. So it's basically just a simple cough drop with a little bit of menthol, which is a cough suppressant, but it actually is infused with actual herbs from Europe, including peppermint, elderflower, wild thyme, horehound, hyssop, thyme, linden flower, sage, lemon balm, and mallow. These are one of the only actual true herbal cough drops, and you can buy these anywhere, gas stations, Walgreens, Target. So you can always find these on the go. You just have to get the actual original herbal one. They work great for sore throats and coughs. They taste pretty good. They're super cheap, and they're almost completely natural. So I'm gonna give them 9.5 out of 10, just because they do have a little bit of sugar on them. So enjoy.